The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. I think I'm the only person here so far because I forgot to put the thing live. Oops. But that's okay. Get my music started, all that fun stuff. There we go. And we're ready to rock and rumble. choppy, 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 choppy. Looks like choppy. Let's check out. Very small ranges. Very, very small ranges. Low for ES, 45.46. The high, 45.55, 50. So only a 8-point range. And Q only has about a, see, it looks like the low was 7.99 and the high was 8.43. So only a 44-point range. So we have like no range on the indices. Copper, only about 80 ticks. Gold, oops. Gold had a little mini explosion and came right back down. About 18 points thanks to that little pop-up. Ultra bond, about a point in range. Crude oil, about 80 ticks. And natural gas heading up. Bitcoin's fallen below 30K. So that's where we sit stand there. Whatever body posture nobody's choosing to take because there's nobody here. Which is my own fault because I forgot to put the video live, not live, but like viewable. I had it on unlisted instead of public. Whoopsie. Hey Juan, good morning. Good to see you. How you doing today? Sorry to hear that, Juan. You can get it back. Oh, this morning does look very choppy. Very, very slow, small ranges. Kind of ugliness. Not that we judge. News this morning. News, news, news. We have some. This is page loads. Coming up here in just 10 minutes, Canadian housing starts. I don't think that's going to move the market, but at 8:30, 25 minutes from now, we have U.S. retail sales month over month and Canadian CPI. At 9:15, we have U.S. industrial production. At 10 o'clock, U.S. NAHB housing market index and 2 Fed speakers. So chock full of news this morning. Hey JC, good to see you. How's the trading been going? back. We're still not going anywhere, doing anything exciting. Glad to hear that, JC. I've been up and down, but I'm an idiot. Yeah, I still just pulling the trigger for me. Yesterday I analyzed my current strategy with like 8 different assets, and like I would have had a 90% win rate if I would have just been pulling the trigger. You can see these purple lines here were in my entries from yesterday, and you can see, win, win. I mean, it would have went 10 points here. Could have stayed out of the pullback and then win. I need to pull the trigger. I need to have my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why. Blue candle here. Blue. I'll have a blue. Hopefully. I mean, right now, our ranges are so low today that, I mean, these moves are small even at places where I should, if I was trading, I should have pulled the trigger like here. I was still sleeping here. Blissfully sleeping. And that would have only been like a 6-point move. So, I don't know. It's interesting how deadish we are right now. We'll see if that picks up with the news at 8:30. Like right now I'm getting this blue candle, but it's right in the mix of like 2 EMAs and a VWAP. 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 And this is only a 3-point candle. So, I mean, eh. I will say my trigger was actually back here, and that would have led to about 7 points so far. And immediately pulls back. Hey, Doc, how you doing? Two EMAs and a VWAP. So yesterday I posted a video about the latest prop firm news, and it included a message about a new prop firm that's coming out, that could really take the industry by storm. Uh, their Forex prop that's deciding to get into futures, and apparently they have the ability to be the biggest prop almost right when they launch. They could possibly be bigger than Top Step and maybe even Apex. Well, check out that video. I'm going to paste the URL there. But yeah, they are going to be interesting. So pulls right back down off of that blue candle. Thankfully, we didn't take said blue candle. Housing start version coming in a minute and a half. I guess I don't expect that to move the market. Purple candle. Should we go for 5 points? Let's give it a gander. Oh, purple candle went away. See if it comes back in the next 24 seconds. Looks like that's a nope. So we watch and we wait. Like I said, that Canadian housing starts number really didn't do anything. But I do have eggs in front of me, so I'm going to eat those while we watch. Hey, hi, Matt. How you doing? We missed you yesterday. Best market ever. Everybody made thousands of dollars. No, I'm kidding. Not, you didn't miss much. Yeah, I was green yesterday. 2 trades for like 188 bucks. Bit choppy. My one green trade was an absolutely terrible entry that I should have never got into, but I got it to work. Ooh, blue candle. Pulls back. See how choppy we are. Ultra bond market opens up in a couple minutes. Made a new high there. Pull back. Copper making a new low. Copper's been depressed the last couple days. Still know what caused that spike there in gold. Crude oil, trying to show happiness. Shiny. There's that blue candle again. The most convincing candle here. Let's see if it holds for the next minute. And we have news in 10. There it went away. Away, away. Up, Emma's back. It can't decide. Not giving me a lot the warm and fuzzies here about taking it, even if it is blue. Oops. We're in. Did pull back. Ooh, pull back a bunch. I'll put our stop at the bottom of those wicks. See, there's bottom of the wick of that last candle. That makes it about a 6-point stop, a 7-point stop. See what happens. 10 points might be a little too much to ask for, so we'll watch it. Also, probably will not stay in throughout the news. We're very slightly green there for a second. Try to see if we can get back up, maybe up to 32. That'd be nice. Yeah, sitting at 45.50, 75. Dow at 34.746. Thank you. Here at 15.824. My entry, 15.825.75. Let's see what it does. My target down to 831.75, which is the top of that candle over here. Not sure we're gonna get there. It's just hanging. We can see there's three different moving average. Well, two moving averages and a VWAP. They're all knotted together there. Hopefully they continue to provide support. It's not looking good. Hi Borno, yeah, you can trade CL with Top Step. Still being chubby. I think CL is like the second or third most traded asset on Top Step. I'm trying again. Back to my entry. Nope. My entry is providing resistance. $5 till news. Again, it's U.S. retail sales month over month and Canadian CPI coming up in 5 minutes. Well, now less than 5 minutes. For CL? CL or MCL? Do you trade the regular or the micro, Borneo? They just recently added MCL. But CL's been always there. Hell, you. Huh. Wonder why. I'm not sure. Might want to check with support on that. I'm not sure why. That's kind of weird. So we did get into profit here, but it's still struggling. We're gonna move our because we're gonna try and get out of this before the news. I'm gonna move this down to just a small win. See if we can get a little burst up. See if it'll hit my target. Ah, come on, give me a couple points. No, ooh, ouch. First and down now. Darn it. Right now I have a terrible risk reward on this trade. Absolutely atrocious. Break even trade there. Got in and out at the exact same price, so just lost commissions on it as we get out before the news in a minute. Of course, watch this burst up by 10 points now or something. All jittery here before the news. Start spreading the news. We're trading today. Bop. There's news. Quick whip down and wow. Should have stayed in. Oh, wow. I would have hit target, I think, if it would have filled me, but I think I'm glad I didn't. I think I'll be having a heart attack right about now. This candle's going up to 835 and down to 815. Yep, higher now. What did I say our high day was? High day is 843.75. Good morning, Crypticon. How you doing? Boom. U.S. retail sales month over month 0.2%. Expected was 0.5%, so that was a miss. Canadian CPI 2.8%. They expected 3%, so that was a beat. And market has no idea how it wants to react to this news. How do we react to this news? It's good, it's great, it's bad, it's horrible. Coming back down. Let's see what everything else is doing. Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's also choppy. Gold, choppy. Copper, little bounce. Crude oil coming down. There, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, or you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Ooh, big dip now. Down to 811, 810. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Crypticon, Blue Sky is doing something you might want to check out. Let me find the promo on it again here. Real quick. They have a Blue Sky Trading Company Summer Psychology Series every Thursday, starting this Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern. They'll have on their YouTube channel. It's free. Different trader psychology from this guy, Matt Hensley, head of trading education at Tiresias Trading, for common mental trading errors when life gets in the way, sticking to your trading plan, trading as a business. Might want to check that out. Everybody should check it out, probably. And you can win a free 25 account giveaway each week if you're part of the live audience. Definitely some a nice thing from Blue Sky. There's nothing to pay. It's a free course. It's a free thing, Crypt. Continue to move down here, down to 803. Deep, deep, deep down. And a bounce. That doesn't sound good. Can you go into trade history and see if it's like taking a trade you're not aware of? Somehow an order setting somewhere? Hey, John, doing all right? How are you doing today? Have a good day, Crypt. Awesome, John. Nice pop back up here. Thought about playing that pop. I saw how deep it got there. But alas, I did not. I did not. And nothing in the trade history it shows an extra trade or anything, Doc? Ah, sorry to hear that, John. Gold's been a little bit weird with its spikes today, I noticed. Good idea, Doc. Kind of ugly on the indices right now, too. Nothing really giving clear moves so far. Copper was, but Ultra Bond spiked up, coming down. Agriculture about to close until the bell. I've entered one trade and I ended up getting out at break even. Hopefully we can get some more. Nothing I want to jump into yet. purple again. Minute 40 on this candle. Well into those bands. Now just about touching that third band. I don't like entering trades where we've touched the third band. And we just hit 15,800. Can it break through that big round number? Actually, we hit 798, so he broke through and bounced a little bit. It's hanging right on that even number. $45 minutes till the bell. Somewhere, Ace is running on a mountain trail. Nice rise back up. 9 point candle, 10 point candle. Two and a half minutes on this 5 minute candle. Gold's broken through its 100 EMA on the 5. Crude still falling. Ultra bond trying to bounce. Blue candle. Got a little burst there. Watching him waiting. Anybody else take any trades yet? 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Energy markets open then. Going long here. Based on a feeling and a hunch. Which is the best type of trade, those feeling and hunch trades. Actually, it's a little bit more than a feeling and a hunch, but still is a risky trade. And I got in about a point late. Struggling to get above like 812. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Struggling here at 14. Pulling back. Crap. Move our target back. We'll move our target down to the 20, you may, but let's see. I don't like that wick now. Back to my entry point. Yeah, that's not looking good now. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I don't like the looks. Trying to push back up. I'm watching the 1 minute chart down there in the bottom right hand corner. That could go either way right there. There we go. Give me a little bit more oomph. Come on, oomph me. Yep, not opening. Ouch. cutting it. So I took a loss there, small one. Should have taken the quick $75 win there. I see the purple candle on the one, so I got out. Maybe too soon. Yep, too soon. Hello, Brian. Welcome. I'm not sure I recognize your name, so I'm gonna assume you're new, unless I'm forgotten. I got Alzheimer's, which is possible. I'm old. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, it was fun last night, wasn't it? Let's see. Gold pop up, popping up, popping up and never stop. Missed an entry there. Could have taken that. That's the entry while I was playing with NQ. Trying again. So I should have stayed in. Like, never got anywhere close to where my stop was. Didn't like the looks on the one. Still don't like the look on the one. So we'll see what happens. I think this whole with my funded futures and their launch, I think we're gonna see some interesting developments in the futures prop space. I mean, I guess they're huge in the forex space, from what I understand. Yeah, yeah. Though I definitely, Apex right now is number one, even if Top Step doesn't want to admit that. Uh, but you know, attacking the number one is always the good thing. I would not count Daryl Martin out. In reacting to their latest changes between Top Step and now this new, this new one coming in. It's gonna be interesting to see how Apex responds. Hey, Mr. G. They do have a Facebook page, and it's just they definitely need a social media manager. If Daryl wants to hire me, I'll consider it. Um, but in all seriousness, yeah, they do need it. They do need better social media presence. How's it going so far today, G? Wonder what that means. Is Bank of America in trouble? Just about the top of the hour here as we see a blue candle rising. I see blue candle rising. I see trouble on the way. Little Creedence Clearwater Revival. Hey Doc, did you figure out your issue? So I should have definitely stayed in that trade, by the way. I would have profited. It got up to the EMA like I was hoping. Yeah, I remember that, G. I was actually, until you mentioned Apple yesterday, I had the Roblox up in this window. Just watching it. I don't trade stocks. Alright, and it cleared up again, Doc, or did not clear up? Awesome, G. Glad to hear it. Market is choppy as heck. Hopefully the bell will do something here in 30 minutes. See what happened with crude on its open though. Crude's still, well, crude's trying to bounce. Huh. Well, we should get them trained. It's amazing how many things are starting to get approved as the whole world's kind of burning right now. Oh, big move right back down. So that was a fleeting move up. Today is definitely choppier than yesterday was. So far, no good. Ugh. Everything just. Ugh. That's a that's a decent move there on copper. Oops. Blue Sky Trading Company announces a new static drawdown account. They call it the Static Growth Account, and it might be the best static account of any of the 12 major futures prop firms. The evaluation, almost no rules. Hit the $2,000 profit target. Don't hit the $800 static drawdown. There's no consistency rule. There's no daily loss limit. There's no minimum trading days. Your static drawdown means it doesn't move. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's static. You're limited to 5 micros. Build up on that. Hit your profit target. Go to funded. There you'll start with 1 mini or 10 micros, however you prefer to trade. And you will continue to rise up as long as you show you're consistently trading well. They'll continue to increase your size up to 20 minis. Like I said, best static on the market. I think most other statics that are out there limit you to like 2 contracts. So get on in on this. They say it's possibly limited to the amount of people. So jump on this now. $199, and the link is in the video description below. Something to be excited about. It's a great time to be a futures prop trader. And here is the link for Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. Y'all should check it out. Has some good info there. You're very welcome, G. Oops, sorry, Brian. I caused Ace to get Smoking the Bandit Eastbound and Down stuck in his head last week. So is it hazard of watching this stream? Oh, hanging around 15,808 ES up to 45.48. Hopefully the bell brings us some opportunities. There's a bad mood on the rise. It's stuck in my head too. It's my own fault. Yeah, I find it amazing that somebody comes in here every day just to make the effort to downvote the stream. The funny thing is, if they watch the ad in front, then they're actually helping me. Hey Antonio, how's it going? Right now it's kind of a boring Tuesday, but we'll see where we get after the bell. So we're hanging at 810. 45.49 on ES. Haven't seen Andrew Gibson the last week or so. Wonder where he's hiding out. Trying to push back down. Hey, Ace, how was the run? Or haven't you done that yet? And did you get the trash out? Dow coming down? And pushing up. Up to 815 again. ES up to 45.50. No, 45.49, sorry. Very unexciting first hour and 15 minutes. We did just hit VWAP 15, 819. Still trading in very tight ranges. Still only ES low. Yeah, as Mr. G said, we did take out overnight lows. We made a new low in ES. I think we made a new low. Yeah, we made a new low in NQ2. So now 45, 44, 75 is a low. And the high is 55. So still only an 11-point range on ES. 796 new low in NQ. Its high is still 843, so it's still less than a 50-point range in NQ, which is very small. The NASDAQ 100 is getting that rebalancing this weekend. Be interesting to see how that affects the movement going forward. Russell, kind of indecisive as well. Totally blew this entry on gold. Right there was my entry. I could have gotten a couple. Wow, really? 6 points. Could have got a lot more out of gold than I thought. And we bounced off VWAP there on the NQ with 12 minutes to the bell. Big wick on that. And pushing down with a purple candle here. See where we go. Anybody else like totally bored to death? Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, hopefully things will get more exciting after the bell. I hate boring mornings because I don't know how to like keep talking to even entertain and keep people's interest. Danger, danger, danger. And keep popping back up. It is just, I mean, this is the 1 minute chart. You can see this ugliness. I have to see if Sid makes it this morning. He left a comment on my video at like 3 a.m. my time. It just was 4 a.m. his time. Not sure that man ever sleeps. He's gonna wake up in a city that never sleeps. So, 5 minutes to go. 4.5 actually. So we're ready for the bell. We're 816, 815 on NASDAQ. ES right at 45.50. Dow 34,745. Nothing can decide where it wants to go this morning. Everything looks choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. You can't stop. You won't chop. Give me a minute while I go look at agriculture. Kind of like that. Short, short, short. Maybe. Hey, RJ, how's it going? Coming back down with a little over a minute to go. 30 seconds. And keep bouncing a bit right here before the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Quick 10 points down. Trying to get down to daily lows. Just hit daily low again. Hit 796. Let's see if it bounces off that low. Yes, not near its low of the day yet. Well, I shouldn't say not near, but it's a couple points off. And then new low a day and then Q, big move down, 791. And yes, I do have to take a trade ace. I have a bomb strapped to me. If I don't take so many trades, I'll go off. Kind of like a trading version of Speed. I think that's the right movie. I'm not even sure. Down to 785 ES. Touch 45, 45, 25. Bouncing a bit. AQ bouncing a bit. $25 points down on this candle. ES only down a point and a quarter. Dow's trying to bounce up to a blue, but it's kind of running into its 100 EMA. Now we're down 38 points. Selling off so far. ES down 3.5, down to 45, 46. Minute and a half to go on these 5-minute candles. See what everything else is doing. Crude's undecided. Copper's undecided. Gold pulling down. Ultravion's still all wonky. Agriculture, soybean oil's falling. Soybeans is going up though. Everything else is going up. Oil's falling. Hey Bruce, how you doing? Strong move down here. 44 points. That said, I'm expecting a bounce. That's kind of the bounce there. Blue candle on the 1. 45 seconds to go in the 5. Bounce went away. Right now we're still down 40 points on this candle. ES bounce though. Still now it's back down to only being down a point. Five-minute candle closed. Down 40 3/4. Still falling. Low now 768. ES is still hanging right at 45.50. Dow is showing major strength. Big blue candle there on the 5, and now another blue candle up. It's just that the Dow's been going the opposite direction lately of the other two indices. And Russell says, hello, you should have taken me again because I'm blowing up again. Nope. Another burst down. 763 3/4. Now the new low. Waiting for an opportunity. Purple candle's obviously a trigger for me, but it was well into the bands. I didn't trust it. So far, could have given us 7.5. ES now trying to burst through its 100 EMA up there. It's keep bouncing off of it. Wow. Yeah, Q continues to fall. Yesterday's lows overall, the low was 661. The low during actual trading hours, 728. Down to 755. Big sell-off on the NASDAQ. ES is heading up and is a net positive since the bell. Dow's overextending itself there into the Bollingers. There's a bounce possibly on NQ. Got down to 753, bounced back up to 768. Real quick. ES with a blue candle. You can see it has gotten through, or it had gotten through its 100 EMA. NQ fighting. 765, trying to get through it one way or the other. Which way does it want to go? Coming back down. Yep, Chop City, USA. New 5-minute candle. Still coming down, no bounce. Yet. That's a nice move on ES though. ES up to 45.52. Yep, Dow is a rocket. Whoa, look at crude. Wow. 60 tick candle there on crude oil. Wonder where that come from. I have to check for news here. Oh, yeah, it's crude again. And look at the, yeah, there's the Dow in the 15 minutes up 100 points. Copper bouncing, gold trying to bounce. Let's see if there's some sort of news that caused that. Oh yeah, I forgot there was other news this morning. We had U.S. industrial production. We totally blew through. Oops. We have Fed speakers. 2 Fed speakers at the top of the hour. But I don't see anything on oil. That's possibly the bounce right there. Blue candle. Yes, it is. And ES is strong now too. In fact, I think ES is hitting high a day. Yeah. Nope, 55.75 is high a day, so it's a point off so far. There's a 23-point candle back up on NQ. Watching it on the 1, it's gotten up to the 20 EMA on the 1. It's kind of bouncing off of it now. Soybeans dying. ES new high day 45.57. Dow up to 34.862. And Q pulling back here. Wow, NQ gave up that whole almost that whole candle. So NQ's weakness seems to be ES and Dow's strength as the NQ goes red. Dow now up 139 points. Crude oil ended up 52 on that last candle. And look at the Russell, guys. 14.5 points on that 15-minute candle. Trying to bounce again. Awesome, John. Great to hear that. It's trying to move up again. On the NASDAQ, that is. Got a sneaky suspicion Ace got 2 points in here somewhere. And again, NQ's getting beaten down. Can it pop up? Yeah, YM is really up there. Watching. ES is high day 45.58 half, down to 45.56 now. Still coming. There's NQ coming back down. Tested the 20 on the 1 minute twice and failed. Going again for low day. And there's a new low day. 15,750. Trump says special counsel told him he's a target in January 6th probe. That's the latest news, John. Big move down here, back down to 738. Pull back there on ES as well now. Dow's still green. Great job, Ace. I don't think so, John. Do it 2 Fed speakers at the top of the hour, as well as a bit of news. The news is the U.S. business inventories month over month and U.S. NAHB housing market index. And Q down to 740. ES has pulled back down to 45.54. Not sure why I get dyslexic when I talk about ES. Waiting here. They're seeing a little bit of a bounce. Back up from 733 up to 752. So that's a 20-point bounce. Damn it. ES showing a green candle. Dow never wavered. Dow trying to get up to 35K. Gold rising. Crude still rising. Crude up near 75 now. Job G. Yes, trying to get back above its hot, new high, its high day, which was 2 candles ago. 45.58.50. And Q trying to find some footing here as well. Dow's like, this is easy. It's so easy a cave trader could do it. Yes, pull him back a bit, down to 45.57. And Q hanging at 415, 762. Geico commercials were the absolute most awesome commercials back in the day. Oh yeah, oil is just popping. Natural gases as well. ES just broke its high up to 45.59. And Q with the blue candle. Long here on NQ. You just touched my target and not fill me? You did. You touched my target and didn't fill me. Oh my god, now it's back down to my entry. Get back up there. Oh wait. Okay, Tradovate has issues. Well, I got the win there. It just didn't show me it filled me until 15 seconds later. I won't complain. But yeah, that needs to change. That was a win. We're now green on the day. Delayed reaction win, but a win nonetheless. ES continuing up now, 45.62 half for its high. Thank you, Ace. I swear, ever since NinjaTrader bought Tradovate, Tradovate's just gone to absolute crap. And my only guess is that they just haven't expanded the infrastructure, and the old infrastructure can't handle the increase in use, which I think believe is the same trouble Rhythmic deals with. Let me go take a gander over at the Top Step Discord, see if anyone's complaining about Tradovate there. Yeah, people are complaining about Tradovate on Top Step. Here, this is from the Top Step Discord. Anyone have Tradovate freeze? Tradovate issues again. Did not fill my limit order even though the candle was above it for 30 seconds. Just had a trade through price on 2 profit targets, filled one after 10 seconds, and I canceled the other, marketed it out. It gave me a price 5 points lower. Yep, mine didn't fill for 15 seconds, and I manually exited. It filled a lot lower too. Yeah. So yeah, Tradeovate's having issues. So I got lucky there. So I might just take my $138 green on Blue Sky and switch over to the uh, either my Apex or my Earn a Trade on Rhythmic. Tradeovate's a platform as well as a broker. But NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate about 18 months ago, and now you can use your Tradeovate credentials and trade off of NinjaTrader, but it's still the Tradeovate data feed. I mean, if you have before NinjaTrader bought them, Tradeovate with the CQG data connection was superior to the Rhythmic connections that were always having issues. Ever since NinjaTrader bought them, it sucks. I don't use NinjaTrader with Tradeovate. I use NinjaTrader with Rhythmic because I have like 4 different accounts, so I don't even have that option. So I'm trading directly off of Tradeovate. This is my Tradeovate window. Give me a sec. That's my Tradeovate window. Here's my NQ. I have other stuff up here, but here's my NQ. I hit the buy and sell off of here, and then manage my trade on Trading View. But the fills don't, the fills are done on Tradeovate because I don't do the actual trades on Trading View. We're rising back up here on NQ. So, this is I don't use NinjaTrader for Tradeovate. At least not yet, because I would have to upgrade my NinjaTrader as well. Right. Yeah, you can do that with any of them now. Any. with the latest version of NinjaTrader anyway. But see, I have two Rhythmic accounts, so my NinjaTrader spots are kind of filled already. Well, Tradovate's it's still its own brokerage. They're still operating Tradovate separate, but you can use NinjaTrader to trade on a Tradovate account. I don't use NinjaTrader. I'm still just on the Tradovate platform. I use NinjaTrader for Rhythmic connections that don't have anything to do with Tradovate. So Blue Sky's just on Tradovate and TradingView, whereas my NinjaTrader is I use for Earn to Trade or Apex. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, Earn to Trade or Apex. And somehow I keep it all straight. Rising back up here. ES continues to rise up. 45.63 half. Dow sniffing 35,000. RJ, what's Dow's all-time high? Who's your broker ace? All right. Thank you, RJ. I was just curious. I don't think you use either one, Ace. I think Ninja themselves has a different. I think they use Connect Kinetick, Kinetick. I think. Yes. So yeah, I don't. Rhythmic and CQG seem to be more. Rhythmic seems to be mostly a prop firm type of dealio. I don't know who else uses them. I mean, I could be wrong about that. Actually, I guess EdgeClear uses Rhythmic, so I don't know. I don't want to talk out my butt. But yeah, I don't think you're on either one of those. Also, I will also say that at least with Rhythmic, and I can't say I don't know about um, Tradovate, but in Rhythmic, the actual live servers, the ones that's actually sending orders to the CME, have a lot less problems than the sim servers that are handling the evaluation accounts and stuff like that. Rhythmic live servers rarely, very rarely ever go down. I'm not sure about Tradovate. I'm thinking so, Ace. I don't think NT uses either of those for their own connections. Yeah, and Rhythmic's had a lot less issues lately. I'll be honest, ever since Apex got their own server and got everybody off the normal just generic sim servers, it took a lot of the load off of the Rhythmic servers, and they've been going down less than Tradovate has lately. Oh, I absolutely understand, Ace. So we're popped up here, still trying to head up 778. We're green on the day on the blue sky. We're gonna let Tradovate kind of simmer. Yes, pulling back a tad, just a tad. We've actually had three very small red candles on the Dow. By small, I mean that last candle was actually just 1 point. Ah, so yeah, okay. So Ace USDQG, which is what Tradovate has, but You have a live account, not a sim account. There's a rise up. Should I get up to the 20 EMA? Yes, Ace, I think you can. And the smoke signals, they don't work either. The Canadians keep trying those. They keep missing the CME, and the smoke ends up down here in Decatur. Wow, hit VWAP and just died. Yeah, the Dow just was going wild earlier. It's wild. And Q retreating. Ace, what the heck are you talking about? All bark, no bite. Yes, looking like it wants to pop down. No entries here right now. What's the Russell do? Wow, Russell's more wild than the Dow. Russell went up. Darn, I hate math. 30, 34 points. uh, is the entertainment we provide here at MightyOxTrading. I don't know. They're still flirting with a strike, I think. Not moving to Britain to get a job with Amazon. And we're back to showing some positivity here. She might like it. She might love it. She might want some more of it. Okay, let's go over to Blue Sky. Here comes NQ coming back down. NES trying to come down. Yeah, this is not like offering me anything to grab here. I have a Apex static account here ready to go on NinjaTrader if I find something I like. Dow heads up toward 35,000. Crude pulled back some after getting up to 75.30. It's trying again. Ultra Bond's been kind of ugly, but bounced off the 100 nicely. I would should have dove in a nice take. And gold's going to the moon. Gold heading close to 2,000, about 15 points away. Copper's kind of wonky. Agriculture is kind of wonky too. What big announcement's that? Excuse me 1 second. Table made of gold. Still can't decide what it wants to do. Russell's finally showing some weakness. He just doesn't appreciate you, Ace. Yep, are we going to see the 1030 reversal? So, hold on. I made a Russell short. Beautiful fall here on the Russell. Seems to be hesitating here. So we're going to jump out there. Just a quick trade there. Ended up being 2 points, so it's a $100 win. On the Apex account. Probably should have stayed in. We'll see, but thank you, G. Thank you. Yeah, I should have stayed in. I got little hesitant when it's there. This is a static account, so I'm just trying to build up the drawdown because on these on the Apex static, you only start with $625 in drawdown. So I'm just trying to get some quick wins there to quickly build up the drawdown so I can have a little bit more to play with. Dow hit 35K. Thank you, John. By the way, I did that off of the 5-minute chart down here at purple candle. See, like I said, I could have stayed in, but that was my entry. Purple candle, green on the RTI, white on the RSI with linear bands. That's like that's my one of my golden setups. That said, it's interesting. I was realizing for some reason, and I'm not sure if anyone else is like this, but I read long setups way better than I read short setups. Because I have this opposite setup for longs with when this is red and this is blue, and that is so much clearer to me, and I have so much more confidence taking that than I do taking a short. Wish I had stayed in this, but that's okay. Apex Trader Funding Summer Sale is still going on until July 31st. Remember, you can have up to 20 accounts. Look at those prices. A 50K account, just $33. 300K account, just $131. Add $2 per account if you want Tradovate instead of Rhythmic. Check the link in Nightbot being posted in the chat or in the video description below. Get in before the 31st. Not that there won't be another sale sometime after that, but still, get in before the 31st. Missing Matt LaRocco today. Unfortunately, after 3+ years of being able to work from home, they called him back to the office, so he's not going to be able to join us much anymore. Just sucks for him because he has no idea, how he's going to do any trading at this point. That candle, I could have got way more out of that candle. Kind of sucks that I didn't hold, but yeah. But we're green on the day on 2 accounts now. This is just ugly chop. ES trying to pop up here. Back up to 45.62. Nice job, G. G's loving these pullbacks. Gold continues to rise. Crude continues to rise. Ultraviolet's rising after it bounced off that 100 EMA. That's been very nice. This would have been, let's see, where's my entry on this? Right there. Sorry to hear that you got rained out there. Nice job, G. Excuse me. Nice job, G. And then Q's rising up finally. Yes, I think we just hit another high day. 45.64.75. Dow is still trucking. Lightning. So yes, I mean, I'm sorry. NQ is touching its 20 in public in front of everybody. Go tell it on the mountain. NQ finally trying to catch up here. Strong candle, 17 points up to VWAP. I'm long on 5 micros on NQ. Boom. Wow. Look at that, baby. Doesn't look like it wants to break 800 though. Out. So we got 6 points on that. Again, why did I get out so quick? I just trying to build up some drawdown on that account. So we're up $129 on that account now. So 2 wins there. 2 wins on the Blue Sky account. Hey James, welcome. How you doing? Lucy Schaefer, if you're still here, I see you subscribed 23 minutes ago. If you're still here, welcome. Hello. Feel free to say hi in the chat if you're comfortable doing so. The Streamlabs used to tell me when someone subscribed with a sound, but for some reason that doesn't happen anymore. I didn't realize you were Lucy, Mr. G. I'm gonna regret not staying in that trade, but eh, I think anyway. Because this was my entry, and that was a perfect entry for me off that candle. And it went up, and I'm thinking it's gonna continue to go up from here. You see ES, that would have been a great entry right there off that blue candle. It's gone up 5 points. Dow, man, it's just gonna go like forever. Thank you, James. I appreciate that. Have a great day, Mr. G. See you tomorrow. My dear folks, if you are enjoying the stream or expected to enjoy the stream or whatever, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Ouch, someone's pounding me with dislikes. I have 2 dislikes today, apparently. Yeah. Wonder what's up with that. Someone's really not like. Someone's really. I'm really in somebody's head enough that they're coming into the stream just to hit the downvote. I don't know. Every one of my videos recently have a down, at least one downvote. Lucy, I'm home. Oh, now she'll never say hi. Oh, yep. Everyone has at least one downvote lately. Berg did get up to 800, so once again I got out too quick, but that's okay. Gold still trying to go. Crude pulling back tad. Gold new high. And pulling back again. So it got up to 801, pulls back. Big pullback. Touched the EMA. Came back up. So it looks like this is where we're gonna finish. We still have 7 minutes to go. Let's see if we get anything else, but I doubt it. So two green accounts as we sit right now. Yeah, as soon as I can find them. The 138.26 on Blue Sky and 129 on Apex, although that doesn't take out the commissions. Looks like commissions is 11 bucks. So 118 on Apex. So about 250 total on the day. Let me see a purple candle coming back down here on NQ. Meanwhile, Dow's is running away. 35,081. Absolutely. I totally agree. Oh, you're in along there on the YM there, RJ? Back down, touching the 20. Yeah. YM's just been in a trend all day. NQ has been like temperamental. Gold maybe here pulling back finally. So it's not an easy day to trade, and yet I still was able to, get some wins today. And I think that part of the key is, not just looking at NQ. Like I grabbed that nice win on the Russell. I think I need to look more at the Russell because it's made some nice moves the last couple days. Yeah, yeah, YM has too. I haven't taken any on the YM, but I need to start considering it. I'm green on two accounts, John. I'm up 138 on the Blue Sky account and 118 on the Apex account. Hey, Jay. Welcome. Yeah, I don't know where the YM's going to finally decide to turn around. This is pretty incredible. We have reached the 11 o'clock hour, so time for me to call it a day here on the stream. Do want to thank everyone for joining me as usual. We'll be back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern, for another exciting day of trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we shall talk tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.